Namaste, everyone. Welcome back to our mat to practice yoga. My name is Beth. If you're liking this content, this short series, please like, share, and subscribe. And when we're ready, take a moment to set an intention. And we begin. Inhale, take the left hand across, right hand down, allowing your side body to stretch as you pull the left hand down. Inhale, take the right hand, palm facing the earth. Draw your shoulders away from the ears. You can look up to the right hand. Right hand down. Take the left hand across. Make sure you're breathing in and out. So continue this, getting a side stretch, lengthening the spine, working your breath in and out. When you're ready, noticing your side body, how is your neck? Make sure there's no tension on the neck. Breathe in, breathe out. Grounding yourself, allowing your body to move freely now before your practice. Each breath is deeper than the first time. And bring the hand in Namaskar in front of the heart. Uncross the leg and make your way to tabletop for cat and cow. Cat and cow is like peanut butter and jelly sandwich. It is a great way to warm up the spine. So inhale, you look up. As you exhale, round, look towards the navel. Take your time to really tune in and allow your body to release any stress in the body. The inhale, you look up. As you exhale, you round. And then take the right hand up for thread the needle. As you bring that right hand underneath the left armpit, release your head on the mat. Left hand to the right one, stretch out. You can take the left hand off. Or you can bring the left hand towards your right hip. Connect with your breath. You can go a bit farther to take the left leg back and stretch out, drawing your belly in, and release the left leg, the left hand. Inhale, float the right hand up, open the chest, right hand back, under, making circles with the shoulder. Noticing, does it feel good? Connecting with your breath. Release the right hand down, and we do the same on the left. Left hand reach up. As you exhale, bring that left hand underneath the right one. Head on the mat. Inhale, this time right hand reach up. You can stay up. It's called thread the needle. Or you can thread the needle over to the left hip, drawing that shoulder away from the ears. Lengthen the spine. You can choose to lift the right leg up. It's an option. Making sure you're comfortable. Breathe in and out. When you have it, come back up. Inhale and exhale. Again, inhale and exhale. And release back on the mat. Tuck the toes under. Press into your first plank, making sure your thumb and index fingers on the mat. Walk your legs. Make sure your legs are hip distance apart. releasing any tension at the back of the leg. Notice your shoulder. Notice the space between the thumb and index finger. You can slow down or you can continue to move at your pace. Just noticing where there is tension, work to release the tension. Continue to breathe in and out. Finding length, releasing, coming back into plank, bringing the right leg in between the hand for low lunge, and take that right hand up and extend the right palm facing the earth. Right hand comes down inside the right leg. Look forward to lengthen. As you exhale, straighten the right leg. Inhale, look forward to lengthen. As you exhale, straighten the right leg. Go to where you're comfortable. Inhale, forward looking. Breath is constant. As you exhale, straighten the right leg. Notice your breath. Lengthening. Enjoying where you are. When you have it, tuck the right leg, left leg under rather, and take the right leg back. Downward facing dog. Make sure your hands are shoulder width apart. Forward into your plank, low push-up, knee, chest, and chin. Inhale, rolling up into cobra. Notice your breath. Opening the back body, lowering down. Inhale up into cobra. Notice your breath. Inhale, come back up. Just noticing your back body. You can do following me, or you can just do one and hold that one. Make sure you're comfortable. Press back into your knees and tuck the toes under. Press back. Downward facing dog. Inhale, lowering and bringing that left leg outside of the left hand. Inhale, float the left hand up. You can put a block on the right hand, but extend the left hand forward. Maybe look at the left forearm or look forward. Exhale, bring the left hand down. Forward looking to lengthen. As you exhale, straighten the left leg, pick up the toes. Inhale, forward looking. Then exhale, straighten the left leg, pull the toes. Inhale, forward looking. Exhale, straighten the left leg, pull the toes. So making sure you're smiling, you're not frowning. Releasing with the exhale. Inhaling, lengthening. Breathe in and out, keeping the face relaxed. Bend the left leg. Lift the right leg up. Exhale. Inhale, lower knee, chest, and chin. Inhale, come up into cobra. Lift the arm. Drawing the elbows towards the body. Pinching the shoulder, lifting a little higher. Noticing your big toes are on the mat. Once more, lift up. Hands underneath the shoulder. Crawl up to the knee. Lift the knee, press back into downward facing dog. Make sure you are comfortable as you walk your legs and fold forward. Clasp opposite elbow like a rag doll. You can sway from side to side. You can bend the knee if this is more comfortable for you. Do not force the pose. Inhale, look forward as you place the fingers in front of you. Right hand stays on the mat. Reach the left hand up. Looking up or looking forward, left hand returns down. Inhale the right hand, reach across. Tailbone is neutral. Look forward to lengthen. As you exhale, inhale, interlace the hand behind you. Bend the knee, release the head. Yes, yes, yes. And then straighten the arm forward. Noticing your head. Look towards your knee. Bend in here. Releasing back again into that forward fold bind. Notice your back, your shoulder. Inhale, look forward as you bend the knee. Exhale, release the hands on the mat, straighten the leg. Release the shoulder. Finding your length, open your leg hip distance apart and come into Malasana, prayer squat. Noticing this primitive squat is a great way to open the hip. It's a good chair to be at. Bending the left leg over to the right, we take a twist. Left hand, right hand outside of the left elbow. Right leg is straight. Sit nice and tall. Support the back. Don't force the twist. Return the gaze forward. Counter twist to the right side. Make sure you're breathing in and out. Come back to center. Straight out the leg. Seated forward fold. Dandasana. Flex toes towards the face. Look forward and fold. Noticing to lengthen the spine as you fold. Gazes towards the toes. Make sure you're drawing shoulders away from the ears. You're not crunching on the lower back. Lengthen the spine. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, reach the hands all the way up. As you plant the hands behind you, bend the knee, and we come in to tabletop, reverse tabletop. Noticing your bottom as you lower down, sit up, and hug that right leg in, cross it over to the left. You can decide to hug the right knee, bring the right hand behind you, the left hand outside of the right leg. Shoulder down, it's a twist, start to rotate, look towards the right side of the body, maybe 1/4 way, halfway, 3/4 way, what feels comfortable. Gaze is forward, counter twist on the left side. Lengthen the spine with the inhale. As you exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen. Bring the gaze forward. Bring the left and right leg together. Sit nice and tall. Lengthen the spine. Maybe assist. The great thing about this pose, as you assist the left leg down, the right leg will lift. But it's a great way to release any tension on the groin. Remember, as the hip may be smiling, allowing the hip to release. Only go where you're comfortable. Breathe in and out. Unfrown the face. Catch your big toes. Think about a new book. You just bought a new book. You want to open. Maybe you stay here. Arms are straight. Pushing the knee down. Opening the leg to that favorite chapter. When you're ready, stretch out the leg. Move the leg. Release any tension. This is a great way to begin your day. Rolling down vertebra by vertebra. Head is the last to come down. And take Shavasana. It's a quick practice, great for beginner, great for bedtime, great to unwind. Now draw the right leg in to release the back body. Again, for my friends that have sciatic problem, this is a great pose. Hug the left knee in, give it a squeeze, past the rib cage, release the lower lumbar. How are you liking this short sequence as you hug both knee in, bring your head towards the knee, rock front and back a couple of times, and come to sit. If you like a Shavasana, you go into full Shavasana. Smile, warm up the hands. Remember, it's a quick practice. Find where it's comfortable, release. Release any tension, wipe it off, let go. You're ready to begin your day. Are you ready to tune in to go to sleep? I enjoy teaching, I enjoy guiding, honoring that teacher within. The light in me honors the light in each and every one of you. If you're liking this content, click that red button, like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you are liking this short series. My name is Beth. From me to you, namaste.